Hey guys, it's Di from Bags4Bubbles, and I got this box from Kate Spade that I thought I would do a quick unboxing. I had to open it up anyway, so I thought I would share it with you guys when I open it up. And this is from one of those Kate Spade surprise sales. It popped up in my feed on Facebook. I don't know if it pops up for you guys sometimes too, but I saw a few bags that really caught my eye, and of course it's like outlet pricing. And I love the Kate Spade outlet. We used to have one by us where we lived in Michigan. We no longer have a Kate Spade outlet here where we're at. So I thought it'd be a great way to get like some of those outlet goodies at outlet prices and just some kind of like basic items in my bag wardrobe. So let's open them up and see what's inside. And right now I'm actually using a Coach bag with a Kate Spade wallet and then some Louis Vuitton accessories down inside. So one of the things that I wanted to get was a little bit bigger wallet because the card case that I'm using is a small size. So this wallet was a super awesome deal. I think it was only like, I don't know, 39 bucks or something like that. And the, like, Kate Spade does bags in general, but accessories too, they hold up super well. Like, they can take tons of use and they look great. So I got this wallet, which let's see if it says the name on it. It is the Stacy in the color Lake's Edge, and it has just an opening where you can put your different cards. I thought I'd do one side for like my debit cards and my license and all that, and then I have like a bunch of gift cards right now to different places. I thought I could put all my gift cards and Sephora card and things like that on the other side. It's got some longer areas where you can put cash down in there, and then I liked that it had an area to put change in there because in the wallet I'm using right now it doesn't actually have a change spot. So it's just a kind of nice simple wallet that would go with a number of different bags and go with small bags, medium bags, large bags. So I really like that style, and of course I like the blue colors as well. And so I got that, and then I was looking at a few different styles, but I kept gravitating towards this style. And I actually don't have, I have a crossbody bag, Rebecca Minkoff, that's gray. I have a pink one. I have a bunch of brown bags, like tans and things like that, but I didn't just have like a great basic like black crossbody bag, like dinner bag, clutch going out. And so I looked at the size and I thought that this was an amazing size, which it is, because I could use this like at dinners on a cruise ship, things like that, and it would fit like my wallet down inside, all my camera essentials, like my camera could fit right here, and then I could have all this rest of the room for a small wallet, things like that. So let me take this off. So you can see that this has just a short chain and then a longer area. The only downside is you can't unclip this. So this is stuck on there, but you could just like tuck it on the inside if you just wanted a really nice black clutch to carry around. And I've been wanting more of like just, you know, like just plain leather, like very like timeless bags added into my collection, I think, before I go crazy again. This is the Alec, and it's the Tilden Place in black. And so like you can also, I don't know if you can see down inside here, it's a really great size, really great size, because it's not, you know how some clutches they're just too small. I like the size on this one. It's about 9 inches across, I believe, by 4.5 or 5 inches tall. This is hard to do one-handed, but we're just doing a quick impromptu unboxing here. You could stick this down inside like that, and then you could easily make it like a hand carry clutch where you just tuck that inside, and then you could just make it like a little carry clutch. So I love this. I think this is going to be a great basic item to have in my handbag collection. Then the last one I'm going to be interested in seeing in person. This is one of those bags that I think I would see at the outlet and either jump out at me or it wouldn't. I kind of took a chance on this one. This is a sack. So let's open this up. I got the plastic off of it, and I kept coming back to it on the website. It's one of those bags that I'm either going to love it or I'm not going to love it, and there's no return, so I hope I love it. But I liked this edging. I thought it was a really unique, interesting edging. And I liked that the accents on it were like a blush pink color. And it has a zipper, so you can leave everything closed. It's also a really great size. It's a little bit of like a smooth leather, so I don't know I love that about it. I did know that it was going to be like a smoother leather. I don't know if I love that. I just prefer like a textured leather over smoother, but I just thought this was just a really interesting satchel bag. So let me take all this plastic stuff off. So let's get this out of the box so we can actually see it. I did really like the hanging tag on this too. I feel like this leather is probably going to get scratched up like crazy, so we'll see. But you know, like I said, it was the outlet pricing, so they're inexpensive enough that if it's just like an occasional use, like, you know, bag that you switch in and out of, it's not the end of the world. But I just thought it was a really interesting bag. It's that classic satchel shape, and I like that the longer strap, you could take it off. But I just thought it was a really, kind of had some interesting details with like the scalloping on it. Oh, that's cool. I didn't realize that was a pocket. That's cool. And I'm assuming this will wear down a little bit. You guys know I like the slouchy bags a little bit better. I did go through a structured bag phase, but that was obviously kind of the height of the LV days. So anyhow, I think this will be a great basic bag to take to work. Obviously good for functions. It's a nice size. This is what the wallet looks like next to that one. And then this is what the clutch looks like. So you can see how good of a size that like clutch is. So that'd be really good for dinners, like when we're on vacation, or to put my camera down inside. So this wallet could work in there, or it could go down inside this bag. They didn't unfortunately have this in a blush pink color, but I like this kind of bluish teal color. They had it like in black and tan and different neutrals, but I like the blue color. So this is my kind of Kate Spade online outlet haul. And I think this would be some great basics to put in my collection. I think the surprise sale is over now, but they do it probably about every 2 months or so. So you may just put surprise.katespade.com into your browser and see if they have one going on. You'll have to enter your email address to enter into it. So that's it for today. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and I'll have some more big videos coming up very soon. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.